What's up, everybody? Today we're down at this little creek just fishing with just worms, and actually we could see the fish down there because of how clear the water is. These minnows are nibbling. Oh, there's a bigger one right there. Dad caught one right there. Just a little guy. Most of these are pretty little, but I saw two big ones earlier, but they swam out into the deep end. I wonder if I could, I think I know how to get down there without going in. Dad, I think I know how to go down there without going in their yard. I'm going to climb over the guardrail down that concrete. Got one. I think it's mostly blue. Uh-oh. I'm wrapped around a nut. If I climb down onto this thing and walk down, I shouldn't be in their yard because they don't have it trimmed right here. I don't think this is their yard. Oh, it's all soft right here. This is sand. There we go.
I was wondering if there's any fish underneath the bridge.
Oh, there's a monarch butterfly just sitting on this flower. Oh, there's a big one down here. They're all hiding under the bridge. I bet. Oh, I found a slip bobber. It's mine. It fell out of my pocket. Oh, there's frogs. Yeah, I just saw them hopping. Here we go. Dang it. Mine got wrapped around the end. He saw it. Dang it, Bluegill. Aw, man. I lost my worm. Mom's got it. Oh. Still got my worm. Something big had it. Dang it. Got something. Just a little bluegill. Hey, he's about eating size. Oh no, I got, oh my goodness, Dad, I caught a bass. Oh no, he got off. Oh, he's a little guy. Very pretty though. Yeah, I like this creek. We're gonna definitely have to come back here. I see that bass down there. I'm gonna try and get it, see if I can get out that far. That way I can actually, oh, they're going after it already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey,
You got one.
bluegill on the crank. That's a big one. Look how much he's been in my line. Holy crap. That's the biggest one. What? He is getting eaten. Along with the other two. Don't you flop out of there, buddy. Do you hear him? He's like, let me out of here. Oh, the big one's coming up. Right there. Oh, did I get you? All right, we are back at home now. I'm gonna fillet some fish. Well, we're gonna rinse him off here. I probably should have bled these fish beforehand. I don't usually fillet them because bluegill are, they're not very fat. As you can see, right here I have my little wood cook stove and my fish. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna go get some sticks. So I'll throw this dead wood in here. We've got fire in the hole. As you can see, it's in there and it's burning. I think now that we got it going, we gotta put that thing on the grate and get cooking here. Gonna get that on there. We're just gonna take our fish here, put a little lemon pepper seasoning in them. If I can even get in there. Ow. I think, oh shit, that's really hot. That's some really hot oil there. Hey, it is working. Those are probably gonna cook pretty fast because that oil is very hot. Okay, I think it's safe to say that these are done. So let's get them and put them on our plate. Let's get the other two in there. A little bit more oil. Just that much. Oof. Just that much. That's it. That's all we need. Oh shit. What I just did right there, don't do that. Be very careful when you are cooking over fire. I want to try this, but I don't have a fork. So while that one's cooking, I am just gonna peel a little piece of meat out of there. You have to avoid the bones, but if you can do that. Got a bone in my mouth. Let's try a different piece. Oh, this is literally right where the rib bones are. That's why I got a bone in my mouth. That's actually really good. I'm gonna eat the rest of them inside. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. If you want to go see me fish that creek again, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.